Here's a quick overview of your Algebra 1 Schoology page. I am currently at linmar.schoology.com, which can also be found through the Linmar homepage. Once you get to Schoology, you can click on the Courses tab. That's where you're going to find all of the different courses that you're taking. I'm going to click Algebra 1, and this opening page or home page should look the same for every teacher. Over here at the right is where you're going to find what we are going to be doing on a daily basis. The only other place that's going to be really important for you to find information is where it says first semester. If you click into first semester, you'll find Unit 1. Unit 1 consists of 2 standards. If you click on your Unit 1, you will only see Standard 1. Standard 2 is there. It is just, as you see here, unpublished. I'll publish Unit Standard 2 when we are finished with Standard 1. Let's click in Standard 1. What you're going to see here is the icons for the different pieces of our standards. The first icon is a red head and stands for our learning target. What is it that we are learning? So Standard 1 is about evaluating expressions using the order of operations. Here's the scale that clearly defines a level 1, 2, 3, and 4 for this standard. Underneath, you'll see the orange head icon for learning. This is where you will find extra copies of the notes packet. Underneath that, the green check for understanding, this is where you'll find your classwork. Underneath the more detail, this is the first place that you'll go if the learning and the check for understanding was too confusing. We're going to click on the more detail, and you'll see that I have added videos of extra examples for each topic in this standard. If you click the back button, you'll also see a tab for remediation. The remediation process will be covered in class extensively, but when you need to remediate a standard, this is the head that you'll look for to find the reassessment work. Once we are done with Standard 1, that is when we will click into Standard 2. After we are done with Standards 1 and 2, a Unit 2 folder will show up above the Unit 1. Hopefully this helps navigate your Algebra 1 course Schoology page.